we are going to show microgreens on tissue paper. This is mustard. This is chia. Now spread them properly. Now sprinkle some water. Now we need to cover this with a plate and keep in semi-shade area. Now we need to spread lobia in this soil. Now sprinkle some water. Add chia to the soil. Now sprinkle some water. Add mustard to the soil. Sprinkle some water. Sprinkle water twice a day. Now we are going to close these pots with this cloth. After one day, we can keep this in sunlight. If we close this with cloth, growth will be more. Thanks for watching.